Hey, what's up, guys? Chase and Fish Adventure TV. My son Miles, pop up here. We didn't do an intro video for this video that we're going to show you right now. So we are doing an intro video for the video that we're going to show you right now. And we're going to put it in the front like we did right now. And we got to go spend the night in San Antonio at the zoo overnight and got to see animals at night in the zoo, which is pretty awesome. And then when we camped at the place, and then we woke up and we got to go see all the stuff early that morning before the crowds came in because it's spring break. So we just want to let you guys know this is what it is. We know it's not a fishing video. It's Adventure TV.
Yeah, we don't always do fishing videos. It's not about fishing.
It is sometimes, but it's about
not always.
It's about adventures and other stuff. But
yes, like shooting paintball guns.
Yeah, but enjoy this video. Hope y'all like it. A lot of cool stuff. Peace.
And meals.
It's day 2. It is 6:24 a.m. Me and Miles are walking in. We're gonna go to the zoo.
Oh, wait, we already got in the zoo.
We were in the zoo last night, of course. We're gonna go back today.
Ah! It's gone!
Alright, see you in a bit.
Oh my god! Look at the cup!
Those aren't even cups anymore. They're huge.
No, they're so good. What the heck? Oh, that's cool. Oh, my God, that's cool. Play with the ball. He's a monkey.
He's like, yes, exactly. Got one riding on his back. Baby anteater. What is it?
It's a mold
Of what?
of a triceratops.
Right.
So, it has when we going in with my Boy Scouts.
It's the Friedrich Aquarium.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We keep it. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
You want to put my fries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think there's sharks in here.
Sure. So, I just found a stingray.
Oh, really? Where's it at? dinosaurs over here somewhere. It says on the sign. Oh God, Miles! Oh my God! Run! 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 All right, guys. Me and Miles just got out of the zoo. We spent the night last night. That was freaking cool. Kinda hard floors. We didn't have enough padding.
And I fell asleep on the floor too.
Yeah, and Miles rolled out on the floor and just slept there all night. I woke him up. I was like, "What are you doing on the floor?" I don't know. I'm like, "All right." So we have been at the zoo all day, all last night. Got some cool night tours of some animals and stuff. And we can officially say we spent the night at the zoo. And Miles got a new knife today. Multi-tool.
Yesterday.
Multi-tool.
Yesterday got it.
And yeah. Y'all tell me what's going on. Where are we at? Where are we going? The buckhorn. The buckhorn. I don't think that's where we're going. Look how tall we are. Look how long my torso is. Oh, Miles!
We're leaving for right now, guys, so bye, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our channel, and leave a like if you like this video for right now, and yeah, so bye.
Ah!